Meaning of hail.
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 Hail. The word hail has multiple meanings depending on the context. In terms of weather, hail refers to the precipitation of small balls or lumps of ice. As a verb, it can mean to greet or acclaim enthusiastically, or to call out or signal to someone. As a noun, it can refer to a greeting or salutation, or to a shower of objects, such as bullets or criticism. Overall, hail is a versatile word with both literal and figurative usages, conveying ideas of precipitation, enthusiasm, communication, and impact.